Hey y'all, we're going to be setting this scope up today. Fire a few shots, see if we can get this thing on target. Alright, so I've taken 3 shots and I pretty much got it zeroed in. Let's see if we can shoot a group. Let's go down there and check. Okay, this is my first shot over here. Then I walked it to right there. Then we came over here with the third shot. These 3 were all off camera. And these 3 here are the ones that are on camera. 2 in the red and 1 just under. I'd say we're pretty much zeroed in. Alright guys, let's shoot those 2 bottom targets. And we're gonna be shooting some different kind of ammo. We're not going to shoot that Tula ammo this time. We're going to shoot 3 rounds of Hornady 75 grain hollow points, and we're going to shoot 3 rounds of Hornady 50 grain VMAX. The hollow points are going to go on the left and the VMAX on the right. Alright, fire in the hole. Okay, now we're going to shoot the right-hand target with the Hornady VMAX. 3 rounds. I think I might have flinched on that one. Oh, the impact changed pretty drastically, didn't it? Okay. Let's go down there and get that target and look at it. Alright guys, here we go, the tail of the tape. 3 of these shots I fired off camera and I done pointed them out to you, but let's go over it again. This was my first shot. I brought the scope over and down, and I fired this second shot here. I brought the scope over and I fired this third shot here. These 3 were all off camera. This one, this one, and this one were off camera. Then these three here I fired on camera. Y'all saw those. That was the Tula ammo. Then I came down here to the left-hand target, and I had some 75 grain Hornady boat tail hollow points. They were my hand loads, and I fired these 3 shots here with the point I aim being right here. And I came on over, and I had 3 Hornady VMAX, 55 grain VMAX, and I fired these 3 shots here, one ragged hole. So what I did was I brought the scope over left a couple of clicks, and I figured that's going to get me approximately right in here with those 55 grains, which is what I shoot the most of. Those VMAX are some good bullets. Anyway, that's what it all adds up to. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I wanted to bring y'all along on the sight end, let you see the little gun shoot. I'm not going to sit out here and shoot a ton of ammo because I don't have a ton of ammo to shoot, and it's pretty expensive to buy and replace ammo right now. So we're just going to get the sight set and call it quits, and we appreciate you guys watching. This is the Ruger American Ranch rifle in 5.56 Nato with a Burris 3x9x50mm scope on it. Really nice little setup. Be a good varmint gun for any size varmint. Anyway, we appreciate y'all watching. Once, like I said, we appreciate y'all so much, all the subscribers. If you hadn't subscribed yet, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you can be notified when we post our videos. And hit the like button, leave a comment if you want to. We try to answer them. We appreciate everybody, and it all helps the channel grow. Also, I've got another channel that I'm opening up on Rumble. If you guys are into Rumble and go over there, you can catch me over there. My handle is JB1911 DLR. JB1911 DLR. You can find me at Rumble under that username. Anyway, we'll catch y'all on the next one. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you. Bye.